guys, it's Saturday. I'm just getting home. I went to the beach this morning to watch the sunrise. It was really nice with my church family. I'm just getting home. I went to, anyways, none of that matters. But I am going to show you guys some new clothes that I bought. I bought a lot of new clothes specifically for work. Yeah, because you know I'm a teacher and everything, and we're going back to work in a couple weeks. And a lot of the stuff I used to wear to work don't fit, so had to get some new clothes. And then I'm going to show you guys the clothes. There's a bag right here. I went to Plato's Closet. I got all my groceries. Thanks to Bay, filled up my refrigerator. Alright, we're about to try these clothes on. Well, I already tried them on in the dressing room. I just want to show you guys. To go ahead and wash them because they're from Plato's Closet. And if you know what Plato's Closet is basically like gently used clothes. So I'm just going to show you guys everything I got. So first things first is these $12 Express pants. I got this in a size 8. If you follow me on Snapchat, you already seen me dancing around in the dressing room with it on. So this is what the pants look like. Again, majority of these items that I purchased are for work. So, you know, they're going to be a lot of like dressier type clothes, not really like going out clothes. This is the pants. Again, they're a little bit on the tighter side, but I need some work pants, and these are going to be really nice for around Christmas time and whatnot. I love the stripe down the side. These are Express pants, and I got them for $12. All right, next I got these black jeans, which I am so in love with. They're Banana Republic skinny fit. These are in the size 29 a long. I could have went up a size, but it didn't have it up a size because it's Plato's Closet. You get what you get. But I like the way they fit on me. It definitely is giving me body. Let me show you. My butt is a little bit big in there. Okay, there we go. Banana Republic jeans. Ooh, these are gonna shrink when I wash them. Oh my gosh. These are one of those jeans like where it's so hard to put on, but once you put it on and wear it for like a couple hours or whatever, then it's fine. Down at the feet, I love this part right here. It's like a little bit distressed at the bottom. I just need to obviously work on my gut. These pants, so I got a lot of these type of pants because again, work. It's like a really plain type of thing. Like I'm cute, but I'm not even really trying. Really nice. I like these pants. These were $6. The next pair of pants I freaking love so much. Look at this material. Look at this print. So beautiful. These pants are from Fashion Nova. These ones. They're in a size medium. These are brand new. The regular tag is still on, so the person who gave them away to Plato's Closet didn't even wear it. And it sucks me in right at the gut, which is great. I love the way this looks on me. This is definitely giving me boss babe vibes. These were $14. I'm in love with it. It looks really good. Fashion Nova, oh yeah, and has this little tie part right here. I would love to. I'm probably gonna wear this on the first day of school. This is giving me bright and excited vibes. So that's probably gonna be my first day of school outfit, and I'll probably wear a dark blue shirt just to tone it down. Next, these pants I really love. I'm gonna break these out in the fall. I try to pick up some stuff that's good for summer and fall. So this is definitely a summer. I can wear this now. This is definitely a fall with all the green and the mauve and the black. Love it. This is from Ross. This is brand new as well. Again, that flowy material, stretchy waistband, easy to throw on. I love pants like these with like stripes in different colors because you can wear whatever color top that matches the pants with it, and it's a whole new outfit every time. All right, so here are those pants. Love it. The material is super nice, super fun, super put together. I love these pants a lot. And I'm gonna get some pant hangers because I really want like these nice dressy pants to be hung up. But it's just a matter of finding hangers. All right, so next we have these joggers. These are so cute. I really got them because I don't have pants like this, and these remind me of like boyfriend pants, and I like boyfriend type of clothes. They're a nice little faded green, perfect for the fall. You could dress this up or down. If I wear this out, I would definitely pair it with some heels and a bodysuit and a nice little bag, and that'll be a nice little fit, child. This one was $12. A lot of them were $12. So here are those joggers. I like them. They're super chill. You could tie it with a little drawstring. Again, you could dress this up or down. I cannot wait for the fall. I love fall fashion, and I'm gonna be slaying, okay? So period. I like it. It has a real pocket in the back. It has pockets on the side. I can wear this with a nice bodysuit. I can wear it with an oversized t-shirt and some heels. Like, there's a lot of stuff that I can do with these pants. So we like that. Next we have some almost faux jean type of flowy pants. I call these flowy pants because they're flowing. These were also $12. Yep, you guessed it. All right, so here are these. I like these. These are size small, so they fit a little bit not as looser, and these aren't loose, or these are not stretchy, I should say. They're still loose fit, but they definitely have a little bit more body to it, as you can see, versus, you know, compared to the other ones, because these are two different materials. This is like one of those soft jean materials. So I love that these pants all come with like the drawstring tie things here, because you can really suck it in and just be slaying, you know. I will probably wear this with a bodysuit, a plain bodysuit as well. I love these pants. I love the way they feel. They really feel like that pillow material. I'm gonna keep these on and try on these shirts for you guys, because the last couple things are shorts. So let me go ahead and show you the shirts. So first we have this blue little blouse. This is from Shein. Surprisingly, these are my first Shein pieces. There's another shirt in there from there. This is in a size medium. Again, it's my first ever time wearing anything from Shein. This one was $4. This is what this shirt looks like on. It's very chill, very simple. Again, teacher, you know, not really much to it. I could definitely dress it up or down if I didn't wear it at work, but these are considered my work shirts. Very thin, but not see-through, which I like. Next, we have this blouse from Shein as well. This one was $4. Again, these are all from Plato's Closet, not the actual website. All right, so we have this one. This is a very chill top as well. So here is this top, very mom-like, very, you know, I'm a teacher-like, with my badge and my Tory Burch sandals. These are gonna go, this shirt is gonna go perfect. Hold on. So this shirt, actually the shirt in the outfit, the pants, is gonna go perfect with my new Tory Burch sandals that I got for my birthday. Yes, look at that. Yup, that is a look, honey. This is definitely teacher vibes, okay? The shoes. Teacher vibes. Last school year I was on my chill vibes, but we turning it up a notch, okay? All right, next I bought this top, not for work but for church. I thought it was a really cute, like a wraparound top. I bought two wraparound tops. So this is the first one. I love this color. I don't have anything this color. I love wearing color, especially because I have so many types of shoes. So I just like wearing like colorful things, honestly. So this is what the shirt looks like on. So you just tie it in the back right here, just like that. And yep, it's really cute. Not too much skin showing. You can wear it with these type of pants, high-waisted, whatever type of thing. It's a crop shirt. If I wear this to church, I'm probably gonna wear it with like a tube dress or something, or like a spaghetti strap dress, just so you can really like see everything. Really easy. This shirt was $4. Definitely worth it. These go with my Tory Burch sandals too, honey. Yes, they do. Next we have this top. This top is from Shein as well. It's a wraparound top. This one was $6. You literally just wrap it around as much time as you need to. Probably would tie it in the front, and I would wear these with either some high-waisted pants or a nice skirt. Really, really chill. It's really hot around here, so this is a very like airy shirt. All right, do I have any more shirts? All right, I have a few more shirts. I have 2 t-shirts to show, and then I have 3 shorts to show, 4 shorts to show. So next we have these white shorts. Now, I don't own any pair of jean shorts, but especially white ones at that. But these were $7. It's the brand, I don't even know. Oh, these are from Shein. Oh, okay. So these shorts are from Shein. There's a tag right there that says Shein on the inside. Really dope. These are in the size 10. It's really like my hip area that makes pants so hard to come on. But these are the shorts. I like them a lot. The right accessories and the right shoes. I wouldn't mind wearing these together. Very cute. Again, they're from Shein. Very nice. Not too tight. I can wiggle. I can shake. But yeah, it's cute. All right, these next pants are from Banana Republic. They're in a size 10. These were $11. I'm sure these things are like $50, like full price. So these are some black casual, not casual, business casual, I should say. Really nice, perfect like work shorts. The looks are gonna be on pop. I love the little like fold over detail. It's giving very much business, very much teacher, very much conference. It's not tight on my butt, actual butt. It's loose at the bottom. It's really nice business pants. Like these are, I'm going to hang out with your family type shorts. Different. These are a size 10. Time and True. Never heard of the brand. So these shorts are jean shorts, just like the last one, except these have an elastic like around the waist, so like that's how much room you have, and it's just very nice. It sucks you in pretty decently. They're not too short, not too tight. Well, these are going to be perfect for work, for those hot days outside with the kids and stuff like that. All right, one more pair of shorts. And so these next shorts are from A Day New. I don't know this brand, but it's cute. Y'all, look at these shorts. Yes, the sun coming through. Look at these shorts, y'all. I love these shorts so much. They are like something that I probably should have already owned, and I'm gonna actually go check out this brand because the fit of the shorts is like no other. I love how it cuffs like my thighs and my butt comfortably. The pockets are deep, like my whole hand could fit in my pockets, which is super dope. As well as here, like I don't know, I've never heard of this brand, but clearly they made it to complement curvy black girls, because what, it's just so professional to me and not tight, and it has belt loops. Pockets are great color, super soft material, like what. And these match my Tory. See, this is why. I knew there was a reason why I got these for my birthday, because these shoes match so many of my clothes. So this is just a regular shirt, ambiance, size small. Boom, just like that is the whole outfit right here, and feel completely like confident with my Tory Burch sandals and my Tory Burch, you know, little gold hoops. Covers the butt nice, especially if you have like a big one like mine. Yeah, it's very chill. Last shirt. Then we have this little t-shirt. This t-shirt was $6, and I only got it because it has to do with fall, and the color is nice come the fall time, and all it says is hello fall. Really, you know, simple, but very much of a statement, because at schools we celebrate everything. The beginning of fall, the beginning of winter. Yeah, we celebrate all these different holidays in school settings. So as a teacher, it's important for me to have things that say hello fall, hello winter, hello spring, because we talk about those things with our kids. So all these things out, and it's just one of those black little tank top things. This one was $6. I got it in size small. Your sports bra things when you working out. Whew. Yeah, anyways, y'all, that's the end of this little try on haul. Yeah, let's go ahead and get all these things in the laundry, in the washer. Why do I keep saying in the laundry?